Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC62. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC62 isn't lasting long and cuts out midway through cleaning, you're not alone. This is a common issue that often arises due to a worn-out battery. If left unchecked, it can lead to more significant problems, including potential damage to the device itself. Thankfully, replacing the battery is a straightforward process that you can tackle yourself with the right tools and guidance. For this repair, you'll need a replacement battery for the Dyson DC62, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and turned off. Begin by removing the dust container to access the battery compartment. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the cover at the back of the device. Be gentle here to avoid damaging any clips or surrounding areas. Once the cover is off, you should see the battery secured in place. It's typically held by a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Remember to keep them safe as you'll need them to install the new battery. With the screws out, gently pull the battery away from the device. Be careful not to tug on any wires connected to it. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press it in firmly until it's secure. Reinsert the screws to hold the battery in place, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. After this, replace the cover you removed earlier. Make sure it clicks back into place securely. Finally, reattach the dust container. Before testing, double-check that everything is secured and there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider regularly charging your Dyson DC62 fully before use and avoid letting the battery drain completely. This can help prolong the life of your new battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.